Hey guys, in today's video I will be unboxing this Sizzix Sidekick starter kit. I had ordered this back at the end of December and it was on back order with Amazon and I just now received it. I'm really excited to try this out. I had seen a couple of the other ladies on YouTube use this. Amy R with Prairie Paper and Ink, and Alicia, I think her name is, Crazy Paper Chick. And I was thinking, why haven't I gotten this sooner? I just think it will be perfect for all the little tiny images that we die cut, the little critter images and hearts and all that sort of thing. I mean, 75% of what I die cut will work in this. And also this will enable me to die cut on camera, which I could with my Big Shot, but it's just so much trouble to lug it over to my craft table and all that. So let me get this out of the box and I will show you everything that is included, and then I'll give it a try and let you know what I think, but I think I'm gonna love it. Anyway, I'll be right back. So here is the little machine. It is so cute. It's so little, but you sit it on your desk or craft table like this, and then you turn this back and it makes it like completely stable, so you don't have to worry about it sliding and wobbling everywhere. So that is so cool. So you get the machine, and you also get, of course, cutting plates, an embossing plate, two little embossing folders, pretty, and a happy birthday, and you get a cute little stamp set. It's got some florals and cute little sentiments there, and then you get some little dies. You get like a circle and some heart dies. That looks like a little cloud maybe, and a little border and some little banners. And that is so cute. And then of course you get a little instruction booklet, which I will probably need. So that's all that comes in the little starter kit. I'm gonna give this a try, and we'll die cut some things, and maybe you try to emboss something too. So I'll be right back. Okay, so first I'm gonna try die cutting. I'm going to take my little machine and secure it by pressing this back. And I have here a piece of scrap paper. And I'm just going to take one of these little dies that came with the machine and a piece of micropore tape to secure that. And then I'm just going to place this in between my cutting plates here. And stick that in the little slot and see what happens. And I recommend holding this at the top because I just slid my craft mat, not holding it. So we'll just see what we got here. Carefully remove the tape. And just have a perfect little heart. Okay, so for embossing, I'm just going to take another piece of scrap paper and put this in between the two sides of the embossing folder. And then you're going to take the gray embossing pad and put this on top. And then take one of the cutting pads and place that on top. Stick it into the machine and just run it through. And again, hold it at the top. The first time I sent it through, I slid my craft mat, so you want to be careful of that. And I'll just remove this, and there it is. It's really, really pretty. So detailed. I love that. So that's it. I'm really excited to get this, and I can't wait to use this in my videos, so you should be seeing that pretty soon. And I will be back soon with another card. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.